The black one goes through and 1046. So 1046 is where the black one goes through. Okay, right here. Brown pack.
Come on, guys. You want it. I know you do. Come on, Edith. You got this. I know the poor worm is like, no, please. I've survived this long. Good, Edith. Good job.
Oh.
Come on. Oh, Edith is doing it. She's a smart girl. Come on. You can do the next one. Or you can jump up here. You can do it.
Edith knows.
She does.
The one's like this.
Do you only do Valley Farm or do you work with other?
I work with the program animals as well.
So what are also in the program animals?
So we've got a bunch of different things. We've got different species of lizard, like small lizards, snakes. We have some invertebrates, like we have hissing cockroaches and stuff. We have we have some mammals like chinchillas, hedgehogs, ferrets, porcupine, skunk. So we have a few different things like that. Put it down.
Oh.
Are you gonna use the stairs?
She's trying to get out again. Let's do it. Oh.
Look at that. See, they're learning. Here we go. Seems great.